Welcome to Trickz. So today video is gonna be so special because we're gonna talk about a new tricks in Trickz, and that is blending. And blending is not a particular new tool, but it's for channel. It's new because we talk about first start with this tricks to this peak. Drastically will change it with the blending. Yeah guys, that's how much powerful it is. So while we are waiting, let's get started.
So these are the two images that I pick. So first one is the city. You can see this area is full with our road, and beside two sides there are buildings, and there is a space we can see through the road, and goes to the forest. It's also like there is a similarity between these two photos, because you can see there's a road in the woods, and you can see beside the path there are plenty of trees. So when you selecting the photos either for the city and for the jungle, you have to follow these similarities in your photo as well. Now I import to the PicsArt, and let's begin the edit. So when you're doing this business, first you need to go to add photos, and now you are adding the relevant forest here. So then you need to position the jungle photo on the city that you have. So this is a crucial part, and when you have to spend some time with this and find out how these two images are matching. And now I am matching their similarities, and you can reduce the opacity, and you can see two pictures at once, and you can select the path, select the position. Now you can see why I said to choose the similarity, and now you can see there is how the visualization have it now. And now I done with the position. Now I would like to increase the opacity, and I'm going to the blend. So blending part, you need to select the blending options here, which one you need to prefer. So you can switch between them and identify what is the best. For this scenario I would go with the darken, and now I will need to select the area and deselect the areas. So I pick erase and reduce the erase size, and also the opacity reducing to 60 something with the hardness. Pick the area that you need to remove. Now I don't need these lighten areas to show the buildings beside these roads, so that's why I'm clearing some parts. And you need to change the opacity when you doing that as well. There's a man here, and we need to spell him. What about the road that we have? So there is a road here, so this road is not used now, that's why this, and heavily cover up with the jungle. That kind of look we need to have. Increase opacity, and we need to show this building. That's what I'm doing. And clear those areas, only those areas, not harming the trees here. So we done with the blending, and click OK. You can do the adjustments from the tool adjustments and do the changes for the blended picture. So we done with the picture, and you can see the difference now. We convert city to abandoned city, city to abandoned city, and save it. If you want to do the more adjustment, I can recommend the Lightroom settings to do this. So you can do this kind of image changing with the blending using the same similarities in the city and the woods that you aggregate. So be careful about that. You need to have similarities like having the roads and having the far side open space and cover up with the either sides with the buildings and the woods. So it will depend the success of the blending very much. And after, we have to do with a little by little that I was doing. This is the strategy you need to follow in this process for the blending. And these are other examples.
So guys, we discussed our very first blending example in details. So don't worry, we will talk about more blending examples in near future. If you think this video is very much helpful, like it and share it. If you have any questions, let's discuss it in the comment section down below. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and stay tuned. So that's all today. See ya in the next video.